You get 5 minutes, you've got time just to stand still, see what's around you and listen what's around you, and it's really surprising what can be seen in this city. It's a really exciting time when you're in the greyest areas of the inner city. You discover this little oasis of life. The Nikon MONARCH HG are very suitable for city birding. They can go in a pocket, they can go in a rucksack, and they're so lightweight, but they deliver the optical performance that you'll find in the bigger models of the Nikon MONARCH HG range. What's amazing to see is how wildlife is adapting, and you can't see that anywhere better than in the city. For watching birds for so many years, you really appreciate that they have an equal place on this planet. And I think that's a natural feeling. If you're getting enjoyment from something, you want to look after it.